Introducing AI Creator from CodeHS. Create new, engaging CS activities in seconds. Let's check it out. First, choose from a wide variety of activity types to create, including quizzes, practice problems, and even Parsons problems. And best yet, assignments can easily be aligned to state and national standards or existing CodeHS lessons. I'm in need of a quiz about booleans and conditionals in Python, and my school's been doing a farm animals theme recently, so let's go ahead and click this suggested prompt instead of creating our own. Boom, we have our own customized quiz in Python that goes along with our theme. Let's take a second and review this quiz to make sure it's at the right level for my students. Okay, I did notice that this quiz is a bit too easy for my students' level, so let's go ahead and make it a bit harder. There we go, this quiz is looking much better and is more aligned to the topics I've been covering with my students. Back at the top of the page, I have some options of what to do with this new quiz. I could convert it to a quiz buzz, the new CodeHS quiz game feature. I could assign it, fork it, or check out a quick preview. Let's do that. Wow, this is looking great. I can even submit an answer and make sure that it's working correctly. Now let's go back and assign this to my class. On this pop-up, I'll easily choose my course and then select a lesson to place this assignment in. I can also adjust date and time settings so that my students don't see it before I want them to. Now let's go ahead and assign this. AI Creator. Create, customize, assign, all with AI.